So at 5 o'clock, do you cook?
No.
Just asking, I'm trying, I mean...
My lemonade tastes salty.
Okay.
I can't.
Got it.
I can't. I burn water. I can't.
No, but these, I just with her, that means I'm joking with her because she's actually hooked up with a company called Chef, which makes life easier.
Girls.
Talk about it.
Seriously. Listen, so I don't cook. It's not my thing, okay? I love to eat. That's a different story, right? I'm always busy doing the collection, doing music, whatever, all these projects. So I met with, this company, and they sent a box to your house with the best products that you can imagine.
Like what?
Like, I made my own menu, all these Latin
Okay, so you can make your own menu and then they send the box.
And they send you the box and they send you a little cardboard, like it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. And that's it. You can impress whoever you invite to your house.
All right.
And
Thalía,
keep working, keep doing your things.
I'll see you.
Producing Donna Summer, doing a new album, being with Wendy Williams. What else could be better?
So nice to finally meet you. Thank you for